we're supposed to be looking for anything that they have in common first. That's always the very first thing you look for when you're factoring. So on the numerator, a 3, a 19, and a 14, nothing in common. These two have a variable, but that one doesn't, so nothing to take out there. But it is a quadratic, ax squared plus bx plus c, so we can factor this with x method. You are multiplying to make 3 times negative 14 is a negative 42. You are adding to make 19. Your denominator is a 3 because a is 3. I need two numbers that will multiply to make negative 42, but if you add them up, you get a positive 19. Joe? Negative 2 and positive 21. You can reduce the 21 over 3 to make 7 over 1. So on the top I have 3x minus 2 and 1x plus 7. For the denominator, I have x squared minus 49. They do not have anything in common, but it does say x squared, which means this also is an x method problem. The only problem with this is we're missing the middle piece. It's supposed to say ax squared plus bx plus c. A number in front of x squared, we have that, that's a 1. A number in front of x, we don't have that in the middle. And then a constant at the end, we do. So we have a and c, so we're multiplying to make negative 49. We don't have b, so we're adding to make 0. That's a really big hint, adding to make 0. The only way that happens is exact opposites. 2 and negative 2, 3 and negative 3, 4 and negative 4. So what two numbers multiply to make negative 49 but add to make 0? Patrick? 7 and negative 7. So this means that I have for my denominator 1x plus 7 and 1x minus 7. Now that I've factored everything, I look for things that can be canceled. X plus 7, they are exactly the same, so they will cancel each other. And all I have left is 3x minus 2 on top, 1x minus 7 on the bottom. That will be my final answer. Now I have to find the excluded values. Remember, excluded values are numbers that make the denominator equal 0. We can't have a 0 in the denominator. You're looking before you canceled anything out. So for my excluded values, I had x plus 7 times x minus 7 in my denominator. I do not want that to equal 0, so I will solve them separately for 0. What would make each of these equal 0? For this one, if I subtract 7, I get x equals negative 7. For this one, if I add 7, I get x equals positive 7. So for my excluded values, I go up to the the end of my problem, and I say that's what it reduced to, that's how it's simplified, but x cannot equal 7 or negative 7. Those answers are not acceptable. They make the denominator 0, which makes the whole thing impossible to calculate. Nikki, did that help?